This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying that your EV and charger both support remote start through the manufacturer app or an authorized charger service. Once done, sign into the OEM account and link the vehicle by VIN, then add the charger ID. Make sure your phone has cellular data, location, and Bluetooth enabled for pairing, and that two-factor authentication is set so you can authorize the remote command securely. Acting now avoids later connection errors. You next open the OEM app and select the vehicle, then navigate to charging or schedule. Choose immediate charge or a timed window because timed charging optimizes cost and grid load. Make sure the charger is plugged in and unlocked, then send the remote start command. Watch the app status and the charger LEDs. These indicate authentication and power flow. If the app shows pending, wait a few seconds for the handshake between vehicle, cloud, and charger to complete. You finish by confirming charging rate, state of charge, and session time in both the app and the vehicle dashboard so you know power is flowing. If charging didn't start, first restart the app and re-authenticate. Next, power cycle the charger by unplugging and replugging or toggling its breaker to clear faults. Make sure the cable latch is engaged. If problems persist, contact OEM support with the VIN and session log so they can trace cloud commands and resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.